Good morning children. Today I am going to explain face value and place value. What is a face value? Face value is the digit itself. Look here, in 39 there are two digits, 9 and 3. What is the face value of 9? The face value of 9 is 9 itself. And what is the face value of 3? Face value of 3 is the 3 itself. The digit itself is the face value. And next one, place value. Place value is the value of the digit according to its place or position in the number. Place value of a digit equal to face value of the digit into value of the place. The place value of every one digit number is the same as and equal to its face value. The place value of one digit number is equal to its face value. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These one digit numbers have same place value and face value. Next one, the place value of 0 is always 0. It may be held in any place in a number. For example, like in 10, it holds in ones place. So the value of this 0 is 0. Or it holds in the next place, this value also 0. So the place value of 0 is always 0. The place value of a digit in a number increases 10 times it moves from right to the left. Look here, this is the ones place. It moves from right to left, it increases 10 times. So it becomes tens place. And it moves from to left, it increases another 10 times. 10 into 10, 100. So this place value is hundreds. For example, this is a 2-digit number. In 2-digit number, first right side digit is the ones place and left side digit is the tens place. Why? Because the digit moves from right to left, it increases 10 times. So it becomes tens place. So what is the place value of 6? It is in ones place. So 6 into 1, 6. The place value is 6. Now what is the digit 2 value, place value? It is in tens place and the face value is 2. 2 into 10, 20. The place value of digit 2 is 20. The place value of 6 is 6. And next example, what is the place value of 5? 5 is in ones place. So the place value is 5. And what is the place value of digit 4? The digit 4 is in tens place. So 4 into 10, 40. This is the about 2-digit number. If you take the 3-digit number, 364, tell me the place values of 3, 6 and 4. 4 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. So the place value of 4 is 4. The place value of 6 is 6 into, it is in tens place, so multiply with 10, 6 into 10, 60. And the place value of 3, it is in hundreds place, 3 into 100, 300. So the place value of 3 is 300, the place value of 6 is 60, the place value of 4 is 4. Now tell me the face value and place value of each digit in these numbers. Now what is the face value of 6 in 36? The face value of 6 is 6 itself. And the face value of 3 is 3 itself. Now tell me the place value. What is the place value of 6 in 36? It is in 1's place. So 6 into 1, 6. The place value of 6 is 6. And what is the place value of 3? It is in 10's place. So 3 into 10, 30. The place value of 3 is 30. And the next number, 89. What is the face value of 9? 9 itself. And what is the place value of 8? 8 itself. Now tell me the place value. Where is the 9? It is in 1's place. So 9 into 1, 9. The place value of 9 is 9. What is the place value of 8? It is in 10's place. So the place value of 8 is 8 into 10, 80. Next, this is a 3-digit number, 264. Now tell me the face values first. The face value of 4 is 4. The face value of 6 is 6. The face value of 2 is 2 itself. Now place values. Where is the 4 in 264? It is in 1's place. 4 into 1, 4. Next, where is the 6? It is in 10's place. 6 into 10, 60. What about 2? It is in 100's place. So, 2 into 100, 200. 264. The place value of 2 is 200, 100's place. The place value of 6 is 60. It is in 10's place. The place value of 4 is 4. It is in 1's place. Next number, 576. Tell me the face values first. The face value of 6, 6. The face value of 7 is 7. The face value of 5 is 5 itself. Now, place values. What is the place value of 6? 1's place. The value is 6 into 1, 6. 7 is in 10's place. So, the value is 7 into 10, 70. Next, 5 is in 100's place. So, the value is 5 into 100, 500. The last one, 989. So, the face value of 9 is 9. The face value of 8 is 8. The face value of 9 in 100's place also 9. Now, place values. What is the place value of 9? It is in 1's place. The place value is 9. 8. It is in 10's place. So, the value of 8 is 8 into 10, 80. Next one, the value of 9. Here 2 9's are here. One is in 1's place and another one is 100's place. So, this 9 is in 100's place. The another 9, that is, it is in 100's place. 9 into 100, 900. Okay, children? Now, this is the home task for you, children. Write the face value and place value of underlined digit. First one is 55. Here I underlined this 5. 79. I underlined 7. 2 underlined here. 105, 0 is underlined. 820, 2 is underlined. And also learn 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. And also write 3 times.